Hey people, welcome back to another episode of VOG. Today I'm here with Pluto once again. To come to think of it, it's been a while since I've included her in a video, any video in fact, because I believe she's only been one, right? Right?
It's been a month since, yeah, it's been a while, but we're back at it again with, what was the car called? The
2009 Piranha Bromwich, also known as the 2009 Jaguar XF. So yeah, guys, let's just get into this intro. Video.
Promise, I'm not trying to sound demonic. Promise.
Alright, so
Everyone
this car undergoes some major transformations from when the first gen came out in like 1998, because in 1998 this car had like what is it, like those straight lights that look like rubber bands that you normally see on like 1990s like Subarus and stuff.
Cars. Yeah.
But I've seen a Google image of like a very bad transformation of this, of like the rice version of this. There's like two of these bouncy headlights and ridges everywhere around the thing, and it looks absolutely terrible. It's even a low rider. Ugh. That's what I just.
Lowrider?
A low rider is basically a car. It's basically a car that just like. The suspension basically goes to -1,
Down.
and the body frame literally scrapes the concrete.
I don't see this car like that. I feel like it will look terrible like that.
I just don't like it when ricers come around and rice this car. I mean, sure.
I mean, no offense to other people that actually like lowriders, like.
Yeah, no offense to lowriders if you're watching this right now, cause I normally like lowriders and tuned cars for their engines, cause that's when the rarity comes in, cause normally on lowriders there's normally like a very powerful V6 or a V8 included in the engine, and
yeah.
And it's so loud it made my ears pop one time, and I'm not joking. I'm not joking. I had to sit in treatment for like 3 days. I never talk about it again.
Wow.
And so that's off topic. Oh, I never noticed this had like a small little side skirt with the Jaguar logo on top of it.
Noticed.
Like
Well,
right here.
Greenville did a really great job adding that detail. It's actually really great.
So yeah, you want to talk
nice.
about how this looks like a Tesla?
Oh yeah, it does look like a Tesla to me. Like it looks like an off-brand Tesla, but you could really get it to look like it though. Like you could really get it to look like it. I don't have a Tesla to showcase, but it does look like it, in my opinion.
So overall, I would rate this car an 8 out of 10. I'm taking 2 points off because this is a very popular racing car. No offense to the racers out there that are actually good at tuning cars. So if you're watching this, please don't feel offended. Now, let's start this car up. Just an average JDM startup, or even like a JDM muscle car. Let's rev.
Yep.
It has a supercharger in it, and I find that very, very weird.
Yeah, I find that weird too.
I find that very weird in a typical sedan like this. But then again, Jaguar normally makes like really expensive, luxurious sport vehicles like this one. But I never figured it would come out to look like a normal sedan, like an Aston Martin type of thing. So
I don't know if it's just me, but I never see these on the street.
yeah, these are very rare. I never once seen this before, but didn't they go off the market in like 2015? They had a really good time on the market, like 5.5 years.
Yeah, that's a long time. To me, this car is actually great for 2009.
Here we are at the speed testing place. We're gonna rev. We never even tested the horn, but here's the horn.
Okay. Horn is actually average. It's like any other. To me,
Sounds
I don't
like
really look into detail.
sounds like your average 90s sedan, in my opinion. Oh dang! Nearly
It
four.
actually accelerates pretty fast.
Nearly 4 seconds. This is really good on acceleration. Man.
Totally.
Alright,
Okay,
so we're here at the storage lot because I'd like to say this is the ultimate sleeper car. And this is literally the ultimate sleeper car in my opinion. This is like one of the top 5 sleeper cars in Greenville. And yeah, what did I say? Crap, I forgot. Let's move on. So this car overall looks like an Aston Martin and a Tesla mixed. If you look at its rear, it literally looks like an Aston Martin mixed with a Tesla. Why did I sound southern at that point? But anyways, this car is a 4-door sedan, and wow, never noticed this had 4 exhausts. I legit never noticed it has 4 exhausts. But the engine type it has is, I believe, a 6.
The fat from the back.
I believe it is a. I believe it is a 2.5 liter 6-cylinder. If I'm mistaken. Wait, what's this? Oh, is this like where the like where the little antennas go? Cause I heard that they got rid of that feature in like the late 2000s and stuff. And yeah. This car is overall really good, and I would rate it a solid 8 out of 10. But then again, I'm taking those points off because it's a racer car. No offense to the racers out there, and I'm taking another point off because it's just a very popular, like, it's just like a. Other than that, I would just rate it a 9 out of 10 because I literally have no other reason to specify. But anyways, here's the logo. Here's the license plate. I got a she license plate. Oh yeah.
Wow, I thought you were joking.
I'm not. I'm not joking. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys something. This car is one of the ultimate kings of burnouts. Just look.
It really is. Do you want me to get out the way?
Just look at how long this can go without stopping.
If we had much of a bigger road, then yeah.
Reverse gear too. I think this is front wheel drive in my opinion. This is definitely a front wheel drive car.
It's from 2009, but it really isn't. It's actually really great.
But anyways,
can I give my rating?
Let's do a blinker test, like that one we did with the 2005 car that I don't remember the name of.
2005 matte.
All right, there you go. There's the left blinker, right blinker, and hazards. Okay, there we go. Now let's head back. Well guys, if you enjoyed this episode of VOG, please be sure to leave a like and a comment down below, and if your comment contains any suggestions of cars to do, I'll gladly take those. And if you want to go ahead and join my Discord server, it'll be the first link in the description. And yeah, thanks for watching guys. I'll see you next time guys. Goodbye.